Is obviously important to both sexes, but it often affects women more profoundly. Women live longer on average, and they tend to marry older spouses, and they tend to be widowed more likely than men at age 65. So for women, estate planning is a crucial part of retirement planning, and because they're living longer, women often have the last word about where wealth goes to family, charity, or taxes. A key component of estate planning is appointing someone you trust who can act on your behalf in financial and legal matters in case you can't, even if it's temporarily because you get sick or disabled. You pick this person in a durable power of attorney. This is different from a living will, but what you want to make sure of is that you authorize the right person that you trust, shares your values to make medical and financial decisions for you. Even if you don't think you're hugely wealthy, everyone has an estate. An estate is everything you own when you pass away, including your home, property, investments, bank accounts, retirement plans, family business, partnership. If you don't have an estate plan, then nobody can figure out who should get those assets, and the courts step in to make those decisions, and you don't want that. Both a will and a trust can be used to transfer assets after you die, but each has different benefits. A living trust, which can take effect during your life or at death, may also hold assets for your benefit while you are alive. In case of dementia, for example, a will, which does not take effect until you die, is used to name guardians for children who are minors, create trusts that kick in after death, and cover assets that you haven't put into a living trust. Both are important to have. Assets inherited or received as gifts from a spouse are not taxed. This is called the unlimited marital deduction. It's a really cool benefit, and you have to know all about it, especially for entrepreneurs who own businesses. For most married couples, a primary goal is to leave each other well provided for financially. After the first spouse passes away, tax saving strategies become more important because the unlimited marital deduction no longer applies. But there are strategies out there that can help. Widows just need to understand what they are and take advantage of them. If you pass away owning a life insurance policy on your life, it's like giving money away to the government because the proceeds could be subject to estate taxes. So it increases the value of your estate and could put you over thresholds. One good way to avoid this is an irrevocable life insurance trust. You got to learn all about it, really important. Retirement accounts are distributed according to your beneficiary designation forms filed with the bank or financial institution holding the account. So with an IRA, 401ks, you really got to make sure that your beneficiary designations are proper and that they're integrated properly with your estate planning.